short line, and it should be Indiana Railroad, I think. Used to work at a warehouse on the other side. Over there, this building right there. Indiana Railroad, I think. Trains going the other direction. This is Kentucky Avenue going southwestern Indiana. Track will go behind Speedway over there. Going to food pantries today. Get some food for neighbors and family. There's the other side of the train. That one building there on the left is the one I used to work at. One of them. I think that's the Indiana Railroad, I think. Doing some switching operations someplace. Maybe taking a break.